This video will demonstrate how to use the Video Note tool within DC Connect. Video Note can be used to increase student engagement and faculty presence in your course. The maximum length of a video note is 30 minutes and can be used by faculty to post things such as an introductory video, a weekly update or overview, an announcement, a short lesson, a response to a student discussion post, or provide assignment feedback. Video notes can be used by students as well, in discussion posts or in assignment submissions. A video note can be added anywhere in DC Connect that uses the HTML editor. For this demonstration, we will create a new file in the content area of DC Connect, but anywhere in DC Connect that has this HTML editor can have a video note added. Select the first icon in the HTML editor called Insert Stuff. Then choose Add Video Note. You may be prompted to grant DC Connect access to your webcam. You will now see a preview of your webcam. Select New Recording to begin recording. Once you are done, press Stop Recording. Select Next. Enter a title and a description. Then be sure to set the video language and select Automatically Generate Captions from Audio. These last two settings are necessary in order to generate captions, which is an accessibility requirement. Click Next and then Insert. Depending on the length of your video, it might take some time before the video appears. We can go ahead and press Save and Close. Captions take time to be generated in the background, so they may not appear right after your video is created. Once they have been automatically created, students will be able to turn them on from the Video Note player. Since there is currently no way for faculty to edit the Video Note auto captions, it is recommended that you do a short sample recording first and check the captions for accuracy. If you find they are not very accurate for your videos, you may want to consider using a different method for creating and sharing videos. If you use Video Note and need corrections made to your captions, please visit durhamcollege.cafe/caption update. After following the steps outlined here, you will be able to easily add video to your courses in DC Connect.